Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and review into Huck's World, and welcome to Triple Play Saturday round 3. Now, I hope you enjoyed 1 and 2. I know you're going to enjoy round 3. Now, this watch face is coming from a developer that goes by the name of PS Watch Faces. This guy always gets down on some of the most unique analog digital watch faces that you ever want to see. So if you have not checked out his lineup, check out his page. You will definitely be impressed. With that being said, let's go ahead. Let's check out this watch face. Now, the name of it is called G-Watch Ocean. I love the design of this watch face. It really brings out the analog look. Now in the AOD mode, you are going to pretty much get the same look as what you would get when the watch face is on. And when the watch face is on, I like these green dots that's going around the bezel of the watch. It really brings out the watch face. The design pretty much pulls everything together. I love the look of the analog hands, adds a little touch of premium to the analog digital watch face, and you get a nice smooth second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch as well. Now your digital time is going to be 12 and 24 hours based off of your format for what you have it set at. Also, you get a calendar. You're going to get your weather info. You got your day of the week. You also get your date, floors climb, PM stamp. For those of you all who are going to be out exercising, he does give you your step info, calories burned. You got shortcuts going around the bezel of the watch as well. This watch face is definitely fully packed with features and functions. You can make a phone call. You can go into your music. You can also go into your settings, tweak your watch however you see fit, and you can also set an alarm. Again, the developer really outdid himself. I'm giving him 3 thumbs up in the door. I thought he did an excellent job on this watch face, especially with the design and the premium look of the analog hands. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out, and make sure you enjoy the weekend with family and friends, and be safe while doing it. And I know the Super Bowl is coming, people. It's right around the corner. So make sure you grab everything that's needed for the Super Bowl so you don't have to get up and go anywhere. All right, you all, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Have fun, take care, and I'll see you all at the next one.